Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your document to your flash drive. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your file on Google Docs. So this is my, let's say, essay, and if I want to save that in my flash drive, what I will need to do is go right here and click on File, then click on Download. So let me click on that one and make sure you download the right format, so it can be Microsoft Word or PDF. So download one of those. For now I will download .docs. Now you'll need to just click save, and basically now what we'll need to do is go to your downloads. So let's open File Explorer, let's go to the downloads. And right now you'll see this is my document. You can rename it, let's say, essay. And now to save in my flash drive, I will just plug a flash drive to my computer. As you can see, this shows up because this is my USB drive. And to save it, basically what I'll need to do is just drag like this, and your Google Docs file will be saved in flash drive. So that's how you basically do. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.